So I went to the Edmonton Expo today and got these things. I got a few like posters and stuff. But I guess I'll show you that in a different video. Yeah. Finally got the Meta Knight AMIIBO. If you guys don't know, I have been looking for this for years, and whenever I do see it in stores and stuff, it's like at least over $60. The one that I found, this one right here, was only $30, so that's neat. And now for this, let's start opening. And yes, I'm doing it on the floor.
Fight me.
Alright. This box is a bit dented, but we don't care about the box. Just gonna open this, and yes, there's like people. Don't mind the noises and the talking. My camera fell over. It revealed my face, and it was not supposed to happen. Alright, let's begin. So, here's the card, here's the code. Yeah, take a look. Screw it, we don't need it. Okay, so I have a Meloetta one, and this makes my second one. So that's neat. Here's the pin. I'm probably gonna like put on my backpack or something. Cool. Alright, let's go charge her. These like boxes are actually really good because I'm pretty sure you can get like super rare cards out of these. If I can even open it. So this is how you do it, like 1, 2, 3, and then you do like 1, 2, put the 2 in the back. Let's begin. Energy card. Diglett. Paris. Pikachu. I already like have some of these cards. Clefable. Shroomish. Golbat. Persian. Ooh. Yveltal. And a Rapidash. Someone tell me, did I do that order thing wrong? I don't know. Alright, second and last pack. Last choice. I suck at opening this. I'm so sorry, guys. If this triggers you, just don't even tell me in the comments. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I'm nervous. Meow. Look a little sweaty there. Tangela. Paris again. Rhyhorn. Oh, Olympia! Okay. Snorunt. What the? Okay. Maintenance. Diancie! Yes! And Parasite. Oh. Okay, I didn't get an EX from this, sadly, but... Hey, I got a Diancie. That Yveltal I already had, but this is nice. Open the magic door, and a dream-colored party will start again today. I'll teach you the secret password. Okay. These are some decent cards, I guess. Alright. That's a very interesting set of cards. I'm gonna have to throw that away later. You know, I'm gonna do that right now. Alright. That be all the stuff. Cards over here. So I'll put a video of my like expo vlog, I guess, in the description. So if you want to take a look at that, it'll send a link to my other channel so you can see that too. Give some support. So yeah. Go subscribe to that channel and subscribe to this channel. Like and comment and share the video. It'd be really appreciated. And yeah, we'll see you all next time. You killed me in the last Smash Bros. Game.